Hi, this is Jonathan Harris from La Tienda. We're here at our tapas bar and I'm going to talk about scaling up a paella. Most paella recipes are designed for a pan this size, about 13 to 15 inches, feeds 4, 5, 6 people. But what if you need to feed 30, 40, 50 people and you just got a pan delivered to your house that's this big? You're going to need to scale up that recipe. So, it's really easy. Of course, paella is all about the rice. Now, what you need is a short grain Spanish rice. Our favorite is actually grown in the mountains in Kalisparo. The way to scale up the paella is really simple. It's a ratio of 1 cup of rice to 2.5 cups of water. Now, if you use the finest bomba rice, you're going to need to use a little bit more water, maybe 3 cups, a little over 3. The way you scale it up too is you look at the recipe and see how many portions are used in the recipe. Look at the large pan and see how many portions are served by that pan, and you can do the math at that point. Now, you don't need to scale up all of the ingredients, especially the meats and the vegetables and the seafood, because then you might end up with basically a big pile of meat on top of some rice. Remember, the rice is the focus of the paella, and you want it to be a nice thin layer with some meat and vegetables dispersed throughout. And that way it can kind of sizzle and you can get the socarrat crust on the bottom, and that's what it's really about. Cooking a great big paella in your backyard or at a football tailgate to feed a crowd is so much fun, and scaling it up is really not that hard. You can find more information at our website, latienda.com. Thank you.